Oh shit, you see that?
What?
That truck just actually hit the bridge.
Oh my God, right there. It got stuck.
Jesus Christ.
No, the bridge is
railroad
closed.
bridge.
Oh, it's backing up. The guy's looking. He didn't realize there's an ambulance stuck there now. He's backing up.
Unbelievable.
He didn't know he's gonna hit something behind. Post? All the cars are backing up.
Did you see that?
I hear
You
something.
see the bridge all moved and that fucking thing just hit it?
Oh, that's a train road.
Oh, he's screwed now. Like he has no way out of there.
That's the railroad. He can go straight down that road right there. Yeah, see?
He can't go. Where's he going?
He can't go.
Shit.
There's a lot of car behind him.
I was supposed to go that way.
Well, stop here and let's see what he's going to do, because he doesn't fit through the bridge.
Oh man, what's
He
he
didn't
gonna do?
realize how tall it's a 3.2 meters, and that's a big truck.
I guess we can go.
No,
We
honey,
can't. It's
wait.
red light.
Yeah. Oh, what did he hit? Nothing. He still wants to go. Oh, you have to go down that road here. Oh God.
That poor bastard.
Yeah. Oh, look, he's right on top of the curve right there. Come on, buddy. You have to go down this road because you can't go on the bridge. There's a car right there, close to the road. You need to know how tall your truck is, man. Driver. Look, it's fucked up. Oh my God. Look at that. Good luck, master. He's the master.